Welcome back to Homestar Inspections. Looking at permits in Riviera Beach, you first have to make sure that you're dealing with the city of Riviera Beach and not the county of Palm Beach. So you go to the Palm Beach County Property Appraiser's website, you put in the address, and Riviera Beach starts with 56. And you can see right here, here's the parcel control number right here. And city of Riviera Beach is 56. If it was 00, that would be county. So then you go to that link. But we're in 56. We're good there. Look at the age, 1974. So that the roof should not be original from 1974, especially since it looks asphalt shingle, right? So with that information, you go to our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Scroll down to permit search. You can schedule now or permit search. Click on permit search. Scroll down to Palm Beach County. And then it's alphabetized, all the cities. So go down to Riviera Beach right here. Click here. All right. Now you can search all of it, but what you're going to pull up is plans, inspections, code case, request, license product. You're going to pull up a bunch of information. So what I do is just trim it down to permit. Go ahead and hit Control paste on the address. We're using 1432 West 35th Street. The website's a little slow, so you have to be patient with them. And that didn't work, so let's trim down the word street. Some of these websites are a little finicky, so let's try street. All right, so you can't use the full word. You have to use ST instead of STREET. Okay, so we're looking at the permits here. Here's one permit. There's another one right there. This one says building alteration, right? And that's from 2022. Next one down is a re-roof residential. Okay, great. And that's from 8/1 of 2023. That's the application date. That's actually the date that us inspectors use. And if you're listing this property or if you're looking to put an offer on the property, then you know for a fact you can be confident that that roof was done because it has a finalized date, application date, issue date, and a finalized date. So it should be completed. And one thing interesting though, I actually looked up this property, and what I noticed was that it said brand new construction, right? Right here, which that was actually typed in probably from the listing agent or the seller, right? So it's not bona fide information. It is information, but when it says brand new construction here, and you go back to the property appraiser's website, and it says year built 1974, right? And then you go to the permits, and you see that it says re-roof, not new roof, but re-roof, and you see an alteration permit. That usually means there's been a remodel. So maybe they meant remodel. It's something to take note of if you're either going to list a property or you're going to put an offer on it. And then you got all the other permits down here, sub-permit electrical, mechanical, residential from 2023. So there's some conflicting information there. You definitely want to dig into that and make sure that there actually was a rebuild and not just a remodel. That's the information you get right there. You can actually right click or double click on this right here if you're using a click pad like I am, and it'll give you more information right here. So it was a residential re-roof. The valuation is right there, the issue date, and the finalized date. Make sure it's closed out. If you need our assistance, reach us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Happy hunting.